Hi guys, so today we will be showing you how to replace your cabin air filter on a 2021 Subaru Forester. For those of you that don't have the budget to go to a local mechanic or a dealership, this is very easy to do. So let's go to our local auto parts to get our cabin air filter. The parts we will be needing for today's video is the STP cabin air filter, and the parts number is this if you need it. Now that we have our cabin air filter, we can now remove the glove box. Now we remove this, and then we put it aside. Now we can pull this. Now that we have access to our cabin air filter, let's go ahead and remove it. Now that we got our old cabin air filter, now we can check our new one to make sure it's the right size. Now that we have determined that they are both the right size, now we can install the new one in. Now that we have our new cabin air filter, make sure that this is facing forward and you just have to push it in. Make sure it's nice and tight. Now we can go ahead and put the glove box. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.